And here with our trades today is Ava Ados. She is the CIO over at ER Shares. Ava, it's good to see you again. Lilly's been a beast. Would you be a buyer? You stick with the stock here?
I would have it as a whole. The reason is overall the company has flat growth. In fact, last year it grew by 1.5%. So the overall company is flat. However, the key bright spot is Mounjaro, the recent diabetes drug that's also used for obesity. And we believe even though they have two key competitors in the market from Novo Nordisk, the market is big enough for all. The drug became the second biggest drug overnight. It actually has contributed $3 billion this year so far. And so we believe that will continue to contribute to the revenues in the future in a big way. However, we have it as a whole because, as I said before, overall, the company has been flat in terms of revenue growth, and also their relative valuation is 3 to 4 times their peers. But we will continue to monitor their sales when it comes to Mounjaro.
Okay, Eva, next up is DoorDash. Shares jumped more than 16% at the moment. The company saw its food orders increase more than 100 million year over year. Analysts say the company's guidance shows solid growth. Here's what DoorDash's CEO, Tony Xu, had to say about the impact of inflation on the business.
We've certainly seen the rise of inflation, both on commodity goods, whether it be grocery items or convenience goods. We've also seen that on input prices when it comes to the food that restaurants have to use to sell their product. And we've seen for certain segments some trade down effect where they're purchasing fewer items, but actually still continuing the same number of purchases. And when you kind of add in the increased prices because of the inflation, as well as the reduced number of items, it kind of nets out to be a wash.
And yet DoorDash still doing well. So, Eva, is it worth ordering in DoorDash still?
Yeah. Definitely. I order personally almost every day, but this is a buy for us. In fact, it's one of our major holdings. We think it's a buy. I think the company has proved itself in the last 3 years. It has tripled the revenues to $8.3 billion. They also went from $500 million in losses to $600 million in revenues. And so that happened in the last 3 years alone. And so I think the company has turned the corner. It has proved itself. It's a big development for a company to turn cash flow positive while also maintaining a 33% actually revenue growth. So I think this growth story, it's only going to get better in the near future. And I think there's clear sailing ahead.
All right. Loving it. All right, let's get to Target then. CEO Brian Cornell speaking as part of the CNBC Evolve Global Summit today, explaining what he is seeing and hearing from the Target customer. Listen.
We are seeing signs of caution. I think the most prevalent term we hear from consumers is they're looking at their budgets really carefully right now. And while we've certainly seen inflation starting to decline, lots of progress on that front, when you look at the impact over the last few years in a category like food and beverage, those household essential items, food and beverage inflation and costs are up 25 to 30%.
All right, so that brings us to shares, which are actually up about 1% off a tough stretch. Ava, what do you do here?
I would have it as a hold to a sell, actually, because this is a sluggish company. They have their profits are below where they were in the last few years. They had negative revenue growth of -5% in the last year, and so their SG&A costs had actually risen in the last year too. And so overall, I think it is a bureaucratic company. It's a sluggish company. And given yesterday's Fed announcement, which was quite encouraging actually, and today's announcement that shows that labor costs are coming down, I think that growth companies will outperform staples. And so it might be a good decision for an investor who is optimistic about the future to reallocate funds from staples such as Target to growth companies, given the fact that the Israel and Hamas tension doesn't escalate.
Oh, well, it hangs over so much, doesn't it? Ava, for now, thank you. We appreciate your time, and thanks for joining us today. Ava Ados for 3 Stock Lunch.